PCB design layout rules and skills. First, under normal circumstances, all components are arranged on the same surface of the circuit board. Only when the top component is too dense can some highly limited and small heat devices, such as patch resistance, patch capacitor, patching, etc., on the bottom. Second, under the premise of ensuring the electrical property, components should be placed on the grid and parallel to each other or vertical arrangement. In order to meet beautiful, in general does not allow components overlap. Component arrangement to be compact. The original, in the entire layout should be uniform, consistent density. Third, the minimum spacing between different components on the circuit board face pad. Graphics should be above 1 mm. Fourth, when the edge of the circuit board is generally not less than 2 mm, the best shape of the circuit board is rectangular. The aspect ratio is 3:2 or 4:3. The circuit board surface ruler is greater than 200 mm by 150 mm should consider the circuit camp. Withstand the mechanical strength PCB design layout skills. In the layout design of PCB, the unit of the circuit board should be analyzed. According to the layout design of this function, the layout of all components of the circuit board should comply with the following principles. Firstly, the position of each functional circuit unit is arranged according to the circuit flow, so that the layout is convenient for signal flow, and the signals are kept in the same direction as far as possible. Secondly, the core components of each functional unit are taken as the center, and the layout is carried out around them. The components should be uniformly integral and compact arranged on the PCB, and the leads and connections between the components should be reduced and shortened as far as possible. Third, the circuit working under high frequency. To consider the distribution parameters between the components. The general circuit should be as far as possible to make the components parallel arrangement. So that not only beautiful, but also easy welding, easy mass production.